Good afternoon. Myself Farshada Desle. I'm discuss about manufacture of basic chemicals like ammonia, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid of the subject industrial chemistry. Basic chemicals are ammonia, sulfuric acid, and the nitric acid. Ammonia is nothing but it is used for the intermediate for making fertilizers as well as the catalytic steam reforming for natural gases. Natural gas has one of the highest proportion of hydrogen. It is a feedstock for the manufacture of ammonia. Manufacture of ammonia by Haber's process is required to air. From air, nitrogen can be absorbed, and the natural gas from hydrogen, this N2 and H2 can be bind to formation of ammonia mixture NH3N2 plus H2 at 200 atmospheric pressure as well as 400 to 450 degrees Celsius in presence of Fe catalyst. Then it further undergoes cooling, then formation of liquid ammonia. Unreacted H2 and N2 gives for it is recycling in this manner. This is the Haber's process, simpler process. Then the modified Haber's and Bosch process. Consider a fuel gasification or reforming. It further undergoes syngas cleaning and removal of H2S gas. Then it undergoes water gas shifting. Then the CO2 is removal. Then it undergoes compression and cooling. Water is removed, means steam is removed. Then it undergoes mixer, and then it passes to ammonia synthesis. Then it undergoes decompression and cooling. Then it undergoes decompression and cooling in this reactor formation of ammonia, liquor ammonia. Further recovery of ammonia, it undergoes ammonia recovery. Then the power plant, pure gas, that is flue gases can be formed. This is the modified Haber-Bosch process. Then the uses of ammonia. Ammonia is the various scope. It is used for the making fertilizers, nitric acid, electrolytes, prevent coagulation latex, making of explosives, synthetic fibers, cooling agent, like this. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is the H2SO4. It is a colorless and dense oily corrosive liquid we use in laboratories, produced by the reaction of sulfur trioxide with the water, used in accumulator and in the manufacture of fertilizers, dyes and explosives. Sulfuric acid can be prepared by two processes, lead chamber process and contact process. Lead chamber process is an old process and contact process is a newly modified process. Sulfur trioxide is obtained by the chemical reaction is SO3 plus sulfur trioxide binded with water, formation of H2SO4. Lead chamber process. Source of SO2, burning of sulfur, two molecules of sulfur reacts burn in presence of air, formation of sulfur dioxide. Then the burning of pyrites. Pyrites means it is a FeS, a ferrous sulfate, reacts with 11 mole of oxygen, formation of Fe2O3, ferrous trioxide and sulfur dioxide. Sources of oxides of nitrogen by heating potassium nitrite with sulfuric acid in the nitrite oven. Then further it undergoes potassium nitrite reacts with sulfuric acid, formation of KHSO4 and HNO3, nitric acid. Then nitric acid further reacts with sulfur dioxide, formation of sulfur dioxide, water, nitrous oxide and nitrous dioxide. Next one is a contact process. This is a contact process in this process sulfur, this is a chamber or reactor for sulfur burner. Here air can be passed, this presence of sulfur, then it impure SO2 and O2 can be added in this way. Then it undergoes next cylinder. In this, at the top of cylinder, water can be spray and the wastewater can be leave at the bottom. Then it further undergoes next cycle, next cylinder. This is a can be a concentrated H2SO4 can be spray. Here is the waste of acid, and then a dry SO2 and O2 further undergoes in this cylinder in presence of V2O5 vanadium pentoxide. This is a catalyst. In presence, this is a catalytic converter. This catalytic converter SO3 SO2 to converts into SO3. This can be passes through this cylinder. Here top of concentrated H2SO4 can be spray. This is the quartz, and the alum can be formed. Alum S2S2O7. Then this alum can be converted into sulfuric acid. For example, like this: air, sulfur, combustion furnace, then sulfur dioxide, trioxide, alum simply alum can be reacts with water, formation of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid uses, simply it can be manufactured from sulfuric acid can be manufactured fertilizers, paint pigments, detergents, synthetic fibers, clean metals, plastics, car batteries, and other chemicals. That's why ammonia, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid is very important. Nitric acid, last one is a nitric acid, HNO3, is a strong monoprotic acid. Monoprotic, diprotic, and polyprotic. Monoprotic, mono for single, they can be donates only one proton. That's why it is called as a monoprotic acid. It is completely ionized in aqueous solution. Nitric acid is a resonance stabilized acid, allowing it to share its electron. This is the resonance structure. It is a color pure nitric acid is a colorless liquid. Nitric acid is in the form of colorless liquid. Having odor is fuming hygroscopic liquid, fumes of which give it choking smell. Production of nitric acid. Nitric acid can be produced from the Ostwald process. Ostwald process, nitric acid can be formed. It is a in critical step for the formation of nitric acid production. By using Ostwald process, catalytic combustion first done. Ammonia can be reacts with oxygen, formation of nitrous oxide, and water molecule is removed. Next step is the oxidation of nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide further reacts with oxygen and the formation of nitrous dioxide, and it is reversible to N2O4. That's why this second step is very critical and handle carefully. Then third step is absorption. NO2 nitrous dioxide reacts with water, formation of HNO3. Nitric acid uses are: nitric acid is commonly used in industry and agriculture. It is highly used in the manufacture of explosives. Means ammonia, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, all are used for the explosives and fertilizers. It is a component of solid rocket fuels and acts as an oxidizer. It is used as a chemical reagent to identify the various metals. Thank you.